Replacement filters for the pure UF-3 system. Sediment pre-filter reduces dirt, silt and rust. The carbon pre-filter reduces chlorine taste. The UF membrane reduces unwanted chemicals, and the VOC carbon block filter reduces lead and chemicals like MTBEs, atrazine, and benzene. Kit includes 2 sediment filters, 2 carbon block filters, and 1 hollow fiber membrane. This space-saving, compact design allows this system to fit comfortably under your sink, requires fewer tube connections, includes backflow prevention valves installed between the elements, and cartridges have double O-rings so they won't leak. The easy, quick change push-release filter system allows for easy filter change with no need to shut off the water source, is installed with check valves in the filter lid between cartridges to prevent backflow, and shut-off valves in each filter head that shuts off the water flow when cartridges are removed. Maximum operating pressure is 80 psi, and to maintain top performance replace sediment and carbon block filters every 6 months, UF membrane filter every 12 months. The Watts Premier UF-3 ultrafiltration is designed for use with Watts Premier's 3-stage ultrafiltration system. This kit contains 2 sediment filters, 2 carbon block filters, and 1 hollow fiber membrane. Easily change filters with just a quarter turn, eliminating any hassles or mess. To maintain your system in its top performance, it is recommended to replace your sediment and carbon block filters every 6 months, and hollow fiber membrane once a year. Please note these filters are not compatible with Watts Premier's RO Pure, Pure Plus, or Zero Pure Plus reverse osmosis systems. Please note these filters will not fit Watts Quick Change UF-3 units that require a 1/4 turn. Top reviews from the United States. Filter changes, nothing earth-shattering. These filters work great for our water, South Carolina coast, which is heavy in minerals but overall low in pollution and coliform contamination, intestinal bacterial mostly from livestock drainage, according to the annual water report. The tap water has a musky smell related to the naturally occurring bacteria in the lake during the summer and heavy chlorine taste, so we purchased the Watts Premier 531130 filter pure UF-3 3-stage water filtration system and have changed once. We have been using the water filter for about 1 year now and are very happy with the water flow rate and quality. We use this water filter several times a day, including watering plants and boiling for cooking. It has a noticeable degradation in water quality at the 6 months mark, but again your rate of changing will depend on your usage. We probably don't get much use of the micron filter as our water is essentially void of pathogenic organisms. Watts recommends changing the micro filter, purple, once a year. The others are changed in 6-month increments, hence why you receive 2 of the blue and red filters. It really doesn't make financial sense to purchase these separately if you can even find them. Changing the filters is easy, but I recommend releasing the water pressure by turning off the water supply and turning on the counterpart supply. I learned the hard way that changing these filters with full pressure can result in water return into your face. Have a towel and bucket, pan ready because there will be some water drippings regardless.